Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll tell you, is TikTok free? TikTok is completely free to download and use on iOS and Android. You can watch, create and share some videos without paying a cent. Inside TikTok there are optional purchases. You can buy virtual coins. Usually $1 is equal to 100 coins to send gifts during live streams. This is a good way to support creator, but it's totally up to you. Also, TikTok Shop or ads require spending if you're shopping or advertising, but just using the application remains absolutely free. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.